Hello my friends! Today our kitchen is filled with the most wonderful aromas. We are going to make fluffy soft pastries with roasted apples and cinnamon. Just imagine a golden crust, the most delicate dough, and warm, sweet caramelized filling inside. They are the perfect pastries to enjoy with tea, especially on a chilly day. Let's get started first. We'll make the YEAST dough. For this we'll need 1 cup of warm milk, about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 teaspoons dry yeast or 0.7 ounces fresh, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 3.5 cups of purpose flour. I sieve the flour into a bowl so it becomes aerated. I add the sugar, salt, then yeast and mix with a whisk. Now I add the egg, vegetable oil and pour in the milk warmed to 100 degrees. When the milk is warm, the works better. But the main thing is not overheat the milk, otherwise your yeast will die. First I mix with a spatula, then switch to kneading by hand. I add butter. I will give our dough a tender texture. I knead for about 7 to 10 minutes and there is softly able almost silky dough. I spray the bowl with the vegetable oil so the dough doesn't stick to it. I cover the bowl with towel and leave it in a warm place for about 1 to 1.5 hours. It should at least double in size. While the dough is rising, let's prepare the filling. Roasted apple with cinnamon. We'll need 3 to 4 sweet. Pre-grained apple, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a little lemon juice. I core the apple and cut them into small cubes. I pour the cinnamon and sugar into skillet. I set them for just a minute. Then I add the diced apple and suet and saute until golden and tender. I divide 2 doughs into pieces of about 1.7 ounces each. I place a spoonful of pre-grained apple filling in the center. I beat the eggs together. I cover the pastries with plastic wrap and I let them cool for about 30 minutes. This makes them extra fluffy and light. Then I brush the tops with a beaten egg. This will give them a beautiful golden shine. Preheat the oven to 315 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. If you like the recipe, give it a like and subscribe. See you soon.